The poet wrote the poem mainly to A. Tell the reader how they feel. B. Explain how to be positive. C. Persuade the reader to be happy. D. Provide information about birds. Number 2. Read the line from the poem, and sweetest in the storm is heard. The poet included the line to emphasize means to show, why storms can be difficult to get past, how important hope is during hard times, what will happen if hope comes around, the best place to look for hope. Question number 3, part A. What is the main message in the poem? A. Let hope sing. B. Do not give up in a storm. C. Hope. C. Hope is sometimes lost. D. You can always find hope. I'll read that again. What is the main message, the theme in the poem? A. Let hope sing. B. Do not give up in a storm. C. Hope is sometimes lost. D. You can always find hope. Question number 4. Use for question number, and that says 8, but it should be 4. Part B, which lines support your answer in part A? So whatever you chose up here, you are picking the line that goes with it that supports your answer. A, and sweetest in the storm is heard, and painful must be the storm. B, that could shame the little bird that kept so many warm. C, I've heard it in the coldest land and on the strangest sea. D, yet never at any point it asked a crumb of me. This is our poetry quiz for Friday, December 2nd.